Hello everyone, I'm Kevin Weaver with Franklin Bronze Precision Components. We're here at the MRO Americas show in Orlando. Franklin Bronze is an investment cast foundry. We manufacture a variety of parts over a variety of industry and a variety of alloy as well. A couple points, Deluge valve casting, C955 bronze material. That casting is used in missile silos to extinguish the fire, the flame after a missile launch. Right beside it, we've got a 347 SS material, transition exhaust. We sell this to our sister company, Oklahoma City. They assemble the rest of the component and sell it direct to the end user. Up top here, we have some bevel gears out of 316 stainless, going to show the intricacy we can cast, and no machining required on the end use. Right beside it, we have a pinion gear that we cast the outside fins and machine the internals. So that's a few of the materials that we cast here. We're booth 653. Come and check us out.